Georgian. Pag Georgian, kailangan i-try. Kasi dito ko sa Georgia. Morning. This is our breakfast here in Tbilisi. Rice nila dito yellow, pero wala naman siyang in-addition na
Paborito ko dito pork sausage nila.
cherry jam, and it's very good. Napakasarap po. I love it.
Ito daw po yung pig jam. Ayan, sobrang tamis.
Watermelon dyan. Hindi maganda.
Oh, matamis.
Ako okay lang. Parang mukha yung caramelize. So sabi nila, this is like Georgian Chinglish something. Search na natin.
Masarap. Masarap. Free.
What is it? Chocolate sauce. Masarap. Jelly. Masarap naman.